Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So, in this video, I'm going to show you one transitive verb and one intransitive verb, okay? And we will see these verbs in different tenses. So, our transitive verb is khwaren, which means to eat, num 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 num. And the intransitive verb is haten, which is to come. So, for present tense, you will say asdkhum, astem, asdkhum, astem, okay? And for future tense, azebkhum, I will eat, azebem. In the simple past, you will say min khwar. So this is different because the verb is transitive. Min khwar, I ate. Min nana khwar, I ate bread. Min shib khwar, I ate dinner, I had dinner. And the intransitive verb in the past will be azhatem.